Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how to crochet this super cute head scarf. It is super easy, super beginner friendly, and made to measure, so you can make it with any yarn, any hook size you want, and you just keep crocheting till it's as big as you want it to be. So yeah, let's jump into the tutorial. So first, here's all the supplies you will need. I'm using this Bernat fluffy yarn with an 8mm crochet hook, which is what this yarn calls for, and just some little yarn scissors. So we're gonna start this project with a magic ring, which I like to do by just looping my yarn over like that, pulling that over that loop, then that loop all the way over my finger, and then you just put that on your hook and have it kind of upside down. It's really a loose slip knot, so you just do a loose slip knot and flip it upside down like this, you've got your magic ring. So then yarn over, pull that through, and now you're going to chain 2. So to do that, you're going to yarn over, pull through that loop, yarn over, pull through this loop. And now we're going to do 3 double crochets into the magic ring. So to do that, you're going to yarn over, insert your hook into the ring, yarn over, pull through, then yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops on your hook, then yarn over and pull through the next 2 loops on your hook. And that's a double crochet, and we're gonna do 2 more. So 2, 3, and that is our whole first row. So now you're gonna pull your magic ring closed, so that we're starting to get the shape of this triangle, which is essentially what this pattern is. It's just a big old triangle. So now chain 2 and turn your work. And this chain 2 never counts as a double crochet, it's just our turning stitch. So now we're going to do 2 double crochets in each double crochet from the last row. So this is called double crochet increase. So just insert your hook and do a double crochet like normal, and do another double crochet in the same stitch. So that's our first increase. So you're going to end up with 6 double crochets total in this row by doing 2 in each of the 3 double crochets from last time. So now we have 2 increases. Here's our last one. And that is our second row of this pattern. Now we're going to chain 2 and turn our work. And for this next row, we're going to start with 1 double crochet in the first stitch, and then we're going to do an increase in the next one. So it's going to be 1 double crochet in this stitch, 2 double crochets in this stitch, and that will be our pattern for this row. It's going to be 1 double crochet increase, 1 double crochet increase, 1 double crochet increase. So normal double crochet in the first stitch at the base of the chain, and now an increase. And now normal double crochet and increase. And normal double crochet. Each row always ends on an increase. That was our third row. So chain 2, turn your work, and now for this row we're going to do 1 double crochet in the first stitch, 1 double crochet in the second stitch, and an increase in the third stitch. So now it's 2 normal, and then in the third one, double crochet. Do you see the pattern developing? This row was 1 double crochet, 1 increase, this one's 2, then an increase, and you guessed it, the next row it'll be 3, then an increase. 1 double crochet in the first stitch, 1 double crochet in the second stitch, 2 in the third stitch as an increase. And so we've done that 1 time. You end up doing that 3 times, and we actually did our 1 double crochet increase 3 times on the row before, and whenever you do your 3 double crochets and increase on the next row, you're going to do it 3 times. So that's basically the whole pattern. Each time you add how many you do before your increase for each row, and you do it 3 times. So you're always increasing by 3 stitches. I hope that that makes sense. I'll walk you through the rest of this row and the next row in case you need it, but if not, just keep doing that until you have it as long as you want. I will show you a full measurement of mine so that you can see how many rows I did with working with an 8mm crochet hook. But so yeah, 1 double crochet, 1 double crochet, increase, 1 double crochet, 1 double crochet, increase, and see how we did 1 double crochet, 1 double crochet, increase 1 time, 1 double crochet, 1 double crochet, increase 2 times, 1, 1, 2, 3 times. That's what I mean by you do it 3 times each row. So the next one, now you always chain 2 and then turn your work. And now we're gonna do 1 double crochet in the first 3 stitches. 1, 2, 3, and then our increase. And we're gonna do that 2 more times. So I hope that that makes sense. Next one, you're gonna do 4 double crochets and increase, then you'll do 5, and so forth until you have it as long as you need to tie it around your head, basically. Yeah, just keep crocheting till you have it as big as you would like. Once you have done your last row, time to grab your scissors, leave a little tail to weave in, snip it, and I like to pull this wrong hook. I like to pull one last little loop through that I pull all the way through for extra security. And then you just have to weave your ends in. I ended up doing 37 rows with an 8mm crochet hook. So the amount of rows you need to do to be able to tie it around your head could be different based on the hook size you used. I'll tell you all in inches. So the sides that come together at an angle on mine are about 26 inches, and then across this way, let's see, it's about 42 inches. So that's the size I needed to be able to tie it around my head, but it can change for you. And that's it! Congratulations on crocheting your own cute little headscarf. Mine is so fluffy and warm and exactly what I needed this winter, so I hope you enjoy yours, and I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching, and feel free to like and subscribe for more crochet content. There's lots more that came from on my channel and more to come. I post crochet vlogs and lots of tutorials, so yeah, if you want to check out my channel. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye!